Hey, what's up YouTube world? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. Working on the Porsche 911 Turbo. We're gonna go ahead and get this puppy on the road this episode. This is just gonna be a quick teardown, just to see what parts we need for the car. That way we're gonna get them ordered and get this car on the road. So yeah, as y'all can see over here on the wheel, it's got a crack here. I'm gonna try and take it to a rim repair shop, see if they can fix this crack. That'd be nice. Because if not, these are some really expensive rims. And then also look, contemplating between going gloss black as usual, powder coating, but we'll see. That's still up in the air. All right. So as you can see, the axle's good, the hub is good, and actually the steering rack is good. So is your in and outer tie rod. Everything else is good here, except for your sway bar link, which is an easy fix. The caliper's good. And then here's the damaged parts right here. So we have a piece of the control arm, trailing arm, and the strut. So, which is funny because most of these parts fit from a Boxster or a Cayman. It's all about the same. Alright, after doing a quick teardown and assessment, we saw that we definitely need a quarter panel door and some suspension parts. We were lucky enough to find a junker that had a 911 Turbo for parts. Therefore, we were able to get an actual aluminum door, and we didn't have to get a metal door. You know, they are the same fitment, it looks the same, but it ain't the same type of metal. So either way, like I said, we got all the parts, and then all the parts on this cost us $2 grand. We finally got all the parts in, and we're gonna get the suspension on the car. That way the car is, I wouldn't say roadworthy, but at least we could drive it around and get it ready to frame. So let's get it. Yeah, so we're in a pause here. So this strut that they sent us is actually from a left-hand side, and you can kind of see based on our old strut, where's the old strut right here, that if it was in, it would be facing totally different from this one, you know? So, see this way it's supposed to face, and it faces that way. So now so you can tell this is the right-hand side, this is the left-hand side. On top of that, it says RE on here, and it says LI on here. So I don't speak German, but I'm sure that's left and right. So therefore, we can't proceed. Back to the parts board. Alright, we decided we're just going to proceed, put everything back on, and then once the strut comes in, we'll put the right strut in. Alright y'all, we're in this point in the build where it's time to get alignment done. Wait a second, car's not finished. That's right, it ain't done yet. But in order for me to drive this to the body shop or to the frame machine, I need to get alignment done. I ain't trying to eat up those brand new tires that we just put on the car. Therefore, I'm gonna go ahead and drive it over there and see if we can get it done. This should be fun just because I don't think they've ever seen a red car come in for an alignment. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record while I'm there, but at least I'm gonna drive it over there and we'll see what happens. And for those of you that were so concerned about the Porsche actually running kind of rough, they all tend to do that, especially if they sit for a long time. Every single 911 I had, done that when they start up, it almost sounds like it's just running dry and with no oil. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and rev it up so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like. I should point out, this is my shop right here, and if we just turn the camera over and look over there at that building, there's the alignment place right there, literally. So a couple hundred feet. Otherwise I wouldn't drive the car over there. As y'all can see, it's gonna need some alignment. We're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and drive her back to the shop and then throw a tag on there and maybe take it for a cruise. So this is how you're supposed to do it, man. Take a vehicle unfinished, tore up for alignments. Right. Is finally finished. This is official our first test drive. We're about to finally get on the car and go for a drive. Yeah. Let's get onto the main road. Man, I love how it feels. Carbon fiber steering wheel feels good. Alright, let's check this baby out, yo. So this is sport. Oh shit! Hold on. Something's not right, yo. Hold on. Alright, so what y'all just witnessed was a very scary moment. We almost lost control of the car. Turns out they only do the front alignment because they don't have the proper tools to the rear. I don't know. Regardless of it, they can't do the rear. Therefore, I'm going to take it over to my boys, Nico Brothers, and let them get the alignment finally tuned. But that's going to happen after the frame shop. So we're going to have to tow the car to the framework. So the plan was going to be originally to drive it there, but as y'all can see, that ain't happening. I can't even get on in second gear without it going all over the road. So, yep, we're gonna have to tow it, unfortunately. All right, y'all, it's about that time. The Maserati's finally done with the frame, so we're gonna go ahead and take this beauty over there and swap it out. Pick up the Maserati and drop this thing off to get done. Let's get it. Doesn't even scrub, man. Some of these other cars scrub. Well, good way to test it. E-brake works. We're on the hill and it's not rolling, so. We got this thing strapped on right here. We got the parts, quarter panel right here. There's the door. I want to get damaged, and we are off. Go pick up the Maserati and drop off this 911 and my Duramax. Alright, y'all, this is it. Hopefully next time we see the car, it's going to have the new quarter panel on there and the new door on there, and we'll be driving it over to the body shop, or to actually get alignment first, then the body shop, second time. Either way, thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on Instagram. I always post a lot of updates and a lot of new builds that don't even make it to YouTube. So make sure you follow me. I'll have the link below. And we will be posting a new video of the Lambo very soon, folks. So stay tuned. Thanks. See y'all. Bye.